Alfa Romeo has introduced the Giulietta Sport to the hatchback's lineup, as a warm version of the standard car. Although no performance upgrades are applied, the Giulietta Sport gets 17 and 5-hole alloy wheels and a sporty body kit, with red exterior trim marking out the model. The blue paint usually reserved for the Veloce model is also available. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. 118 bhp means it's no more powerful, but updated equipment and exterior styling at least make it look sporty. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Alfa Romeo Giulietta Sport added to lineup as warm hatch. Jimmy Beckwith. By Jimmy Beckwith. February 7, 2018. Alfa Romeo has introduced the Giulietta Sport to the hatchback's lineup, as a warm version of the standard car. Although no performance upgrades are applied, the Giulietta Sport gets 17 and 5-hole alloy wheels and a sporty body kit, with red exterior trim marking out the model. The blue paint usually reserved for the Veloce model is also available. Enlarged exhausts also feature, while on the inside, equipment has been bolstered with a leather steering wheel, cruise control, a 5-inch touchscreen connecting infotainment system and a front armrest. It's available with either Fiat Chrysler's 1.4-liter TB engine with 118 bhp, or a 1.6-liter JTD M2 unit with the same power. The former star